All right. So you see here, I typed in instead of NBA players, I typed in rappers. All right. You see some dumb pictures here, man. Crunk ain't dead. Look at this fool, man. Lil Jon. You about 40 years old. You calling yourself Lil with fangs for you know what I mean? And it's ain't probably no real real amazing goal either. It's probably like looking at some 14 carat, 10 carat hollow. you know, Look at this dude. Oh, Rick Ross. I met this dude right here. You know what I mean? And this dude is just vain. I met out in the shop. I was just window shopping really. You know what I mean? And this dude's buying shades. I think he got like thousands of pairs of shades. Like some half mask or something, man. This dude done sold out. You know what I'm saying? Gave himself. You know what I mean? Just let himself go, give to the enemy. But that's the whole point. The point is that these people here, man, they've done so much. Look at this fool. What is this? Some diamond encrusted car? That might be a little like a child's car or something, but you know, look at that, man. That don't make no sense. You know, that don't make no kind of sense. And that might be just like a keychain. Looks like a small Bentley, with diamonds or crystals. Just goofy stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? And the things you could be doing, all right? The things you could be doing is you could be doing major things, if you wanted to. There's some beats by Dre, Diamond Out or whatever, CZ'd Out. Give me a break, man. All right, give me a break. Stuff that these people could be doing for the community, they don't do. All right, things they could be doing for other people, they don't. You know, and the Most High, it's not really we're not here to be wilding and to get all we can and do everything. We are here to serve our punishment, our judgment. That's bottom line. All right. You got some people, and it'll be happening really, really soon. So like in here in the U.S., but you got Levites. They're doing really bad. When that earthquake hit in Haiti, they had this song here talking about "We Are the World." They remade "We Are the World." All right. Oh, they said, "We are the world. We are the children." Man, we ain't. Listen, man. We are the children of who? All right, the so-called Native American, Hispanic, and Negro are the children of the Most High. We are the children. All right, we're the ones that matter. All right, but you still see that no one is coming to the aid of us. No one is helping us. Look at the earthquake here. I want to show y'all a chart here that says here, right here, in 80 and Haiti, Salakia, over nine something billion dollars was given for a total international funding for Haiti from January 2010 to June of 2012. They have a chart in a roundabout way to see where the money went. 89.8%. So about 5 something billion went to non-Haitian organizations. Well, wait a moment. I thought that money was for Haiti. I thought that money was specifically for Haiti. Why is it a non-Haiti organization? To pay them back or something? They time to go there and whatever? That's volunteering. You should, you know what I mean? That should have just been on the love. You're doing "We Are the World, We Are the Children." I guess not, right? Okay. 580 million went to Haitian government. So the government of Haiti got 580 million? Wait a moment. I thought the government was for the people. That's what they tell you whenever they run their political ads and they do this and they do that. You know what I'm saying? That is for the people. And, they lie to you. Politricksters, you know what I mean? So listen, they're not, and then 36 million went to Haitian organizations. So organizations that they had, and it went to them. A lot of places, if you read into this, they talked about it says a way to go. You know, we have a way to go in the money, you know, being distributed and allocated correctly. All right, but they're liars. Okay, because they done tricked off the money. You know, they done spent the money, did whatever with it, and called it good. All right, so but most still accept, despite the billions of pounds of aid, progress in Haiti has still been slow. Some 350,000 people remain in temporary accommodation with little access to sanitation, healthcare, and according to Oxfam. So that was temporary. This is 2012. I'm telling you, a lot of brothers, you know what I mean? They have not done any better that live there. A lot of people, women and children, they haven't done any better that live there now in 2018. It's still a third world country after raising billions of dollars. And here it is, you see this one Jake, all right, I believe he is. Jake's so talented, more talented than anybody. People couldn't get things done without having him on their records. No sales, forget it. All right, yet you're better with him as far as his talent. All right, and this man here is you know, he's able to bring electricity to over 70 something million, 80 million people, and his plan is 600 million. When he looked at a billion, like, man, that's chump change. That really don't go far. All right, that really don't go far. Meanwhile, you got I mean, you got people shining, buying the most ridiculous items and living it up, living life to the fullest. I'm doing it for the gram. Brand new cars with the bows on it, all right? This don't really show like the most ridiculous purchases, but, you know, Last King's Records, all right? The Bentley with the bowing angel. You drive a car off the lot. There's much prestige in everything that car is, all right? You drive it off the lot, and immediately it depreciates in value. It doesn't have the value anymore. So a $300,000 car that was amazing, okay? Hand-stitched leather, you know, the finest fabrics and whatnot, you know, top-of-the-line technology, suspension, racket pinion, transmission, engines, all right? You drive it off of the lot and it depreciates, you know, in value 15, 20, 25%. At least, at the very least, all right? Well, we see this corruption in Haiti. News about corruption in Haiti. All you got to do is Google corruption in Haiti and it's going to come out. Politics, these people, scandals in Haiti, people taking that money, all right? They got paid a Judas purse, all right? While people here donating all their money to We Are the World, showing pictures of Levites, all right? Some Benjamin. Need a helping hand. I wonder how many of these people here, all right, donated. Maybe Wycliffe, because he's from there. He was one of the only ones that actually, you know, did something. But other than that, you know, all these people even making that song. Let's look at Ecclesiasticus, chapter 14, verse 3. Riches are not comely for a niggard. All right? Not comely. Comely is a good look. All right? A fool. That's not a good thing. It's not a hot look. All right, for a niggard. All right. So listen, man. You see this man? I know, you know what I mean? He ain't sitting here doing, you know, the Most High's work and this, and that. But it just goes to show that you actually can do something. But if you actually, you're in a trick bag. If you do something good, all right, they're going to look at you and be like, okay, look, you're doing too much. You're supposed to stay back in your lane. The deal was you to make money, promote certain music, promote scandalous, you know what I mean, attire and dress, you know what I mean, sing about, you know, this, and that, all right, and stay in your lane. All right, he was like, nah, I got what I got. I'm going to do what I'm going to do. But you ain't seen him or heard from him. His last album's been flopping. Videos been flopping. And they've been hot. I mean, they've been cool. You know what I'm saying? They've been some good joints, but they're not anything. They're not promoting his stuff anymore. All right. So, hey, listen, man. We're not meant to be literally shining up in this place. We're not meant to be, you know. This is our punishment. We're living below means. These people are eating doo-doo sandwiches, doo-doo cakes. All right. All right. With that, I want to say shalom.